Hi, I'm going to be teaching you how to use your Rollator as well as helping you be able to make some adjustments on the Rollator. Okay, so on the Rollator, there are two knobs. So there's one on this side and one on the other side. And these are going to be how you're able to adjust the height of your Rollator handles. So what you're going to be able to do is untwist this till it's loose and it'll come right off. And then you're going to take the screw out on the other side, making sure that you keep the bolts all together. Then you're able to slide it up, make sure that the holes stay in this hole, and sliding it up will make it taller, and then sliding it down will make it shorter. And then when you're ready to put the bolts back, if this is the right height, you can put the screw back in through the other side and then screw back on this bolt, and making sure that it's nice and tight and secure so that you're ready to use the Rollator. When you're adjusting the handles, make sure to be aware of how tall you want it. So as I demonstrated before, make sure that you unscrew this, either raise the handle or drop the handle, and when you're ready to set it in place, lock it back into place, making sure that the handles are at the crease of your wrist. So right now this is at the crease of my wrist and it is ready to be used. If you're looking to take a break using your Rollator and you want to take a seat on it, one thing to be aware of is making sure that it's either up against a stable surface or on a level ground. So if you want to take a break to sit down on it, I would put it up against a surface that it's not going to move. Make sure that when you're ready to sit down, you first lock the brakes. That is just me pushing down the brakes, and then now it is pretty stable. Then you can turn around and take a seat on it. When you're ready to get up from taking a break, you can stand back up, turn back around, and pull the brakes up, and that will unlock the wheels. If you're looking to put your Rollator away in the car, here is a way that you're able to fold it up. To fold up your Rollator, first lock the brakes to make sure it stays in place while you're moving around on it. There is this lever on this side and the other side. What you're going to be able to do is you can lift up this little seat, use this lever, pull up on it, and the legs should start to move in. You can grab onto this bigger pole right here and help push the rest of the Rollator in. Then you can lift up on this handle to make it more compact, and it's ready to go in your car. All right, so while you're walking, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your brakes to help if you need to slow down when using it. So when you're walking, you have your brakes completely unlocked, and then what you're gonna want to do is to pull up on the brakes. This will lock the Rollator in place for a brief moment while you're holding on to it. If you want to lock it completely in place, make sure that you push the brakes all the way down, and then you can either sit on it or keep your Rollator in place, and then it's more stable.